Welcome to this video on the 10 tools in one ecosystem of digital marketing. Most people see 10 apps, but today we will explore how to build a unified system for creating attention, generating demand, and building long-term relationships. Let's start with a story. A company launches a campaign that reaches 10 million people, doubles website traffic, and generates thousands of comments. The team calls it a success because the views are up, but they are ignoring the red line. Profit is falling. The CEO asks 4 questions. How many new customers did we acquire? What was the cost per customer? How many came back? And most importantly, how much profit did this generate? When the team cannot answer, the room goes silent. The lesson is clear. Attention is not the same as business value. To be effective, we must build a measurable system. Today, we will look at how to judge tools by their KPIs and connect your marketing spend to real business margins. We don't just use 10 apps. We fill 4 roles: creating demand, capturing demand, converting that demand into sales, and retaining those customers. Every tool in this video will be assigned to exactly one of these jobs. This is our master chain. 9 boxes representing the customer journey. Remember, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. If you cannot name the 2 boxes a tool connects, do not spend money on that tool. Before tools, there is the foundation: paid, earned, and owned media. Paid buys scale, earned builds trust, and owned creates long-term relationships. If your plan is only paid media, you are renting your entire customer base. Tool 1 is the website and landing page. Its job is to convert. A landing page should focus on one goal and one audience. Remember Booking.com. They treat every page as an experiment because that is where the sale is decided. Tool 2 is search engine optimization. SEO captures existing demand by matching content to user intent. Canva succeeded here by building thousands of specific pages for every design task people searched for, acting as an architecture, not just keywords. Tool 3 is paid search. It captures high-intent demand fast. But beware. eBay once proved that many brand keyword ads were paying for traffic they would have received anyway. Always measure incremental gains, not just attributed ones. Tool 4 is content marketing. It builds trust by solving problems, rather than just selling products. Michelin famously used a travel guide to encourage driving, which wore out tires. Content is the only spend that works, long after the budget stops. Tool 5 covers social and social commerce. It is for discovery and demand creation. Duolingo mastered this by building a massive organic following, proving that entertainment can become a sales engine when done authentically. Tool 6 focuses on creators and affiliates. Remember, a creator is a sales channel. Gymshark built a billion-dollar brand by partnering with athletes. Look for conversion efficiency over follower count. Smaller creators often drive more actual sales. Tool 7 is email, CRM, and automation. This is your retention engine. Starbucks use their app to drive 60% of their revenue. Automation flows like abandoned cart reminders are efficient, compounding, and highly profitable. Finally, Tool 8, display and retargeting. These remind users who have already interacted with you. But always be careful. Uber once discovered that a huge portion of their programmatic budget was being wasted on non-incremental traffic. Tool 9 is marketplace ads and retail media. Here, the platform itself becomes the store. By advertising on platforms like Amazon or Shopee, you reach shoppers exactly when they are ready to buy. Just remember, it creates platform dependency. Tool 10 is mobile, messaging, and conversational commerce. By using Zalo, WhatsApp, or chatbots, you shorten the distance between a question and a purchase. When conversations turn into storefronts like WeChat in China, you remove all friction. This chart shows the complete ecosystem. Notice the balance: 4 paid tools, 3 owned, and 3 mixed. If your plan consists only of the amber rows, the paid channels, you are merely renting a business. We distinguish between search commerce and discovery commerce. One satisfies intent, the other generates it. Your success depends on connecting the 2. For example, using social discovery to drive searches that Google then captures. There is no best tool. An emergency locksmith needs search and maps, but a new beauty brand needs discovery and content. Always choose your tools based on the customer, the product, and your current business objective. When these 10 tools work together, they form a 5-stage system: create demand, capture it, convert, re-engage, and retain. If you skip any stage, you lose the efficiency of the entire journey. AI is not a separate tool. It is a capability woven into all 10. From SEO to analytics, AI can handle heavy lifting, but the governance rule is absolute. AI proposes, but the human verifies, challenges, and decides. Analytics is your measurement layer. Mastering metrics like CAC, ROAS, and CLV is essential. These numbers connect the channel to the customer and the revenue to the margin. Without them, you are just managing activity, not profit. Beware of the ROAS trap. A campaign with a higher ROAS isn't always better if it relies on heavy discounts or harvests existing customers. Always look for incremental revenue, sales that wouldn't have happened without your specific ad spend. Every investment must answer 3 questions. What is the cost of acquisition? What is the lifetime value? And will this tool foster retention? If you cannot answer these, you aren't investing in marketing. You are just spending. Consider the case of a new skincare serum. A budget of 100 million dong spent entirely on paid ads is a failing strategy. A CEO's perspective demands more. Where is the SEO, the CRM, and the focus on new versus existing customers? Use this matrix to reallocate your budget. By matching specific objectives, like building trust or reducing platform dependence, to the right tools, you transform a fragmented ad spend into a powerful, connected marketing machine. Avoid common pitfalls. Phrases like TikTok is best or ROAS is all that matters ignore the structural reality of the auction model. If you don't build owned assets, revenue collapses the moment you stop paying for traffic. To conclude, stop asking which tool is best. Start asking how your combination of tools moves the right customer through a journey that builds sustainable profit. Focus on acquisition and retention equally. Finally, consider the ethical implications of AI-driven marketing. As our systems become better at predicting weaknesses, where do we draw the line? True marketing excellence lies in the human governance of these powerful tools.